Yeah, I just wanted to get on here and make a video showing what these beavers do. Look at the beavers working on this tree here. Look how fucking big that tree is. Like you hear, like busy beavers. Like these motherfuckers will bite your shit off. This is a big ass tree.
Beavers?
Yep, it's gonna be gone soon. Look at this big ass tree over here.
Holy shit.
There's more down there. They're chopping on more down here. Look at they chopped through that one there, and now they're on that one. Damn, these motherfuckers get down, boy.
And we're positive it's animals.
Man, these dudes do not play around.
Jeez.
Look at these chips that they fucking saw off. Yeah, that tree's like fucking 2.5 feet around. And there's another one just like it there. This whole stand of trees here. God damn.
Beavers.
That's wild. I didn't realize they were that productive.